This is the Lenovo Legion 8i, and Lenovo says it's the gaming laptop that'll give you desktop-class power without the book. But after spending time with it, I found a few things they didn't highlight in the ads. Some awesome, some complicated. Stick around, because by the end, I'm telling you whether this beast is worth splurging on or better left to the hype trains. Lenovo Legion 8i Product Overview. Alright, so what are we talking about here? The Legion 8i, for the sake of this review, think of it as part of the top-tier Legion gaming lineup, is a high-performance gaming laptop from Lenovo. It follows the legacy of machines like the Legion 9i. What you get here is a laptop built for hardcore gamers, creative pros, and power users, a machine designed to handle AAA games, heavy content creation, video editing, 3D work, or serious multitasking without breaking a sweat. The goal? Deliver near-desktop performance in a mostly portable package. Lenovo Legion 8i Performance. So specs are great, but what's it like in the real world? In my tests, the Legion 8i sailed through everything I threw at it, from heavy gaming sessions to video editing and multitasking across 20-plus browser tabs. It remained snappy and responsive. If you crank up a demanding AAA game on max graphics, the GPU handled it smoothly, frame rates stayed solid, and loading times were barely noticeable. Switching to heavy workloads, exporting video, rendering 3D scenes, or compiling code felt like a breeze. The CPU and GPU never seemed to choke under pressure, and general tasks, scrolling social media, watching streams, or switching between apps, felt instant. In short, this isn't one of those gaming laptops that's great on paper but sluggish when the load hits. It performed like a desktop replacement should. Powerful, versatile, and ready to tackle whatever you throw at it. Features and tech. What makes the 8i stand out? Here are a few standout features and why you should care. High-end CPU and GPU combo. With a powerhouse mobile processor and a strong GPU under the hood, the 8i doesn't flinch at demanding tasks, games, creative workloads, or heavy multitasking. That's real desktop-class power, but in a laptop form factor. Fast storage and loading speed. The SSD setup means you load games, apps, and files quickly. That translates to less waiting and more doing. On a day-to-day level, that's immediately noticeable when booting up games or loading heavy project files. Display and refresh rate if you configure like high-end Legion models. Previous Legion flagships offered a 3.2K mini LED screen with strong color accuracy, high refresh rate, and great brightness, which means gaming, video editing, or content creation looks crisp, vibrant, and smooth. That kind of display makes a difference if you care about visuals or work in creative fields. Full connectivity and expandability. Plenty of ports, USB-C/USB-A, Thunderbolt, Ethernet, etc. This means hooking up monitors, external drives, LAN, or peripherals is easy. And if it mirrors its siblings, there's room for RAM and storage upgrades down the line. Design and build. In terms of build, this feels like a serious machine, not a flimsy laptop pretending to be powerful. The chassis leans towards the robust side, somewhat comparable to previous premium Legion laptops. It feels solid and utilitarian, with a clean aesthetic that avoids gamer bling excess, unless you go for RGB. If you handled a typical ultra-portable, this feels noticeably more substantial, but that's part of the trade-off for power. It's not desktop-heavy, but it's also not going to disappear in a thin backpack. The keyboard is comfortable for long typing or gaming sessions. The chassis materials give it a durable, no-nonsense feel. Battery life. Here's the thing. With great power comes the usual gaming laptop compromises. Battery life, not a strong suit here, as with most high-end gaming laptops. On lighter tasks, you might squeeze a couple hours. Under heavy load, gaming or rendering, expect to be plugged in. It's built to perform best when it's connected to a power source. And the size and weight? It's portable-ish, but you're not expecting to lightweight travel laptop convenience. It carries weight and demands a hefty power adapter. Pros. Insane performance, handles games, heavy workloads, and multitasking without breaking a sweat. Excellent display quality if you get the premium panel, vibrant, sharp, and smooth. Solid build quality and robust connectivity, plenty of ports, upgrade paths, and good keyboard comfort. Cons. Battery life is weak, nearly mandatory to stay plugged in for heavy tasks. Not super travel-friendly, heavier and bulkier than ultra-portables. Final verdict. So, who is the Legion 8i for, and is it worth it? If you're a gamer who wants desktop-level performance but values the flexibility of a laptop, this is a no-brainer. If you're a content creator, video editor, 3D artist, or anyone juggling heavy workloads and want one machine to handle it all, this thing is a beast. But if what you need is portability, all-day battery life, or a lightweight setup you carry everywhere, this might be overkill and maybe not worth the trade-offs. In that case, a lighter, more portable machine might be a better bet.